Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring QVR. Big thank you to QVR for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So I am doing crochet today. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this hair while we start this install. So I have a total of 5 packs of their crochet human hair in the water wave texture. That is the color number 4, which I have 3 packs of, and then I have a pack of 530, which is the red, and 1 number 30. So with these pieces of crochet hair, there is a thread in the middle. So that's what you use to loop the hair through your braid, or however you choose to, because I've seen people do crochet with twist. The thread is what you use to loop it and tie it. So I'm going in with the number 4, and I am just taking the crochet needle, hooking the thread to the needle, pulling that through my braid. Once I pull it through my braid, I use that same string and I loop the rest of the hair through. That's how I secure it. You can double tie it. So once I loop it through, if you wanted to go further and loop it again for security, you can do that. I didn't want to do that. I did not want that much tension, and I want it to be a simple process when I go to take these out. So the beauty of these crochet pieces is that you can reuse it. So this is not something that's just for a one-time hairstyle. This is human hair, so you can reuse this hair. So I went in with the number 4 first because I didn't want to have color throughout the install at first. But as I moved closer to the end of the install, I ended up putting the color throughout, but I tried to alternate. So I'm going to continue to go in with the number 4. So I'm going to do 2 rows on each side with the solid number 4. And then once I get to the 3rd braid, that's when I start to alternate with colors. I go 530, 30, number 4, 530, 30, number 4. And I just continue to place the crochet hair in with that pattern. I'm going to have all the details to this hair down in the description box in case you are interested. Keep in mind they have a load of textures. So if you're not a water wave type of person, you like a tighter curl, more coils, straight, kinky straight, pressed looking, relaxed hair, they have it all. The way that these crochet pieces are made is perfect because, as I stated, you can reuse this hair. So this is only the 2nd time that I've done crochet hair, and the last style that I did, when it comes time to take these styles down, I do not cut my pieces out. I really just unbraid my hair. That way I know that my pieces are good. So now we have moved on to that 3rd braid in which I start to alternate the colors. So you see me here, I'm placing the number 530, and then I alternate that with the number 4. Then I start to mix in my number 30, and then I alternate with more of the number 4. And this just gives me like a really nice highlight look because it's not solid color, it's not solid brown, there's color throughout the middle. And it looks really good. I love the way this came out. This hair is very lightweight. I do have to mention that. And this is a low tension hairstyle because it's not very tight, and the thread that is used to create these crochet pieces is not tight or damaging to the hair. So I love this style. I do notice that some people don't care if their braids show with these crochet styles, but the way that I did mine, once I was done, I tried to tease the root so you couldn't really see that it was crocheted in, and then certain ways that the hair is flipped over, you can't tell. That's what's going on. Otherwise, I love this style as a protective style, and it's something different that you don't have to wear it in just one style. Another thing that I like about the crochet method is it is super easy to do. I feel like anybody could do this. You do not have to be skilled. You do not have to be a hairstylist. And also, nobody has time for the super long installs. This you can get done within an hour or two. If you have your hair braided down, then it's even less time, and your braids don't have to be neat and they don't have to be fresh. As you can see, my braids were decent. They weren't the neatest and they were not super tight. So I like that you don't have to have fresh braids for this. Being that you're not crocheting a full piece of hair through and you have that thread, that's what creates that flat, flawless look at the top. It's very seamless because of the string, as it helps to hook the crochet needle to it. But not only does it help with hooking the crochet needle to it, it helps with that seamless, invisible look, because crochet can be a dead giveaway. And depending on how you wear it, you can definitely tell. But if you are wearing a style that it's done seamless and flawless, people really have to second guess, and they're going to have to look like, what is that? So I'm going to continue to alternate the colors. As you can see, I love the way this color is, like, the blend is coming out. It's really, really pretty. And I'm going to do the same thing until I get all the way to the other side. Then we're going to go back in with the number 4. So I'm getting to the very end. Now I'm going to go back in with the number 4. I'm just showing you what the back looks like. This is how much of the number 4 that I have left, and that is what I have left of the 530 and the number 30. So here, as you can see, I'm finishing up this install with the brown. But once I was done, I was just like, you know, let's just throw the rest of these pieces in here so that this color can pop. So this is what it looks like completed. It is so pretty, so full. So I am going to trim this a very little. This is 22 inches, and I'm going to wet it down and put a little product in here because this is human hair. So you can put product in this hair. So in this clip, it's just water. I'm just going to spray it down with water, and this is a water wave pattern, so it looks really good once you wet it down. And then I'm going to add some Lotta Body mousse just to lock that in and let it air dry while I style the hair. So I did trim this just a little. I didn't cut too much because I do want to reinstall this, so I want to use up all of my length right now. And then after I trim it, I will style my baby hairs, and I'm going to show you a few different styles that you can wear this hair. But for my first human hair crochet install, I really do like this style, and I think I'm going to try it again. And I want to cut this into like a bob. I'm going to have all the details down below. I also have a discount code, which is THE23, and if you use that, you get an extra 23% off your purchase. I will have all those details down below. Definitely check that out. Thank you to QVR for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.